Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In today's episode, I have carefully selected beautiful, stunning and super classy bridal hairstyles for elegant and beautiful brides. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these hairstyles, and if you have anyone that is your favorite, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you enjoy watching this video, do well to give the video a thumbs up and share this video with others so they get to see these amazing bridal hairstyles. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell in order for you to see more of videos like this. Thank you so much everyone, as I leave you to watch this video till the end, and I'm going to see you all in another beautiful, exciting and interesting episode on the channel. Always remember to stay glued to this channel, stay connected to the channel for more beautiful styles that come in your way. Do have a lovely day. Bye.